Get ready, Bitcoin fam. The market is absolutely electric, and we've got a rapid-fire rundown of the news that's shaking up the crypto world. First up, we're seeing major moves from long-dormant Bitcoin whales right before a huge Fed meeting. Then, Botanix is launching a game-changing yield-bearing Bitcoin standard that could redefine how you earn. Plus, Bitcoin's price is turning bullish again with a hidden divergence forming on the charts, and we've got the details. And hold on, because GD Culture's shares are taking a nosedive after a massive Bitcoin acquisition deal. You don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Bitcoin whales are stirring. With the Federal Reserve's crucial meeting on the horizon, a fascinating development is unfolding. Long-dormant Bitcoin whales are suddenly making significant moves. These aren't just any investors. These are the massive holders who have sat on their Bitcoin for extended periods, often accumulating during previous market cycles. Their sudden activity suggests a potential shift in sentiment or strategy, possibly in anticipation of economic shifts signaled by the Fed's upcoming decisions. The sheer scale of their holdings means that even minor trades from these entities can send ripples through the market. Analysts are closely watching these whale wallets, deciphering the patterns of their transactions to predict potential market movements. The timing, right before a major economic announcement, amplifies the significance of these whale actions, leading many to speculate about what they know or anticipate. Community discussions are buzzing with theories, ranging from strategic portfolio adjustments to a coordinated effort to influence market direction. But will these whale movements signal a major price swing, or is it just noise before the storm? Stick around, because we're diving deep into how this could impact your portfolio and what it means for the upcoming Fed announcement. Botanix unveils native Bitcoin yield. Get ready for a revolution in how you earn with Bitcoin. Botanix, a prominent EVM-compatible Bitcoin sidechain, has just launched its groundbreaking yield-bearing Bitcoin standard, aptly named stBTC. This innovative product allows users to stake their Bitcoin and earn instantly redeemable Bitcoin directly from the transaction fees generated on the Botanix network. Imagine your Bitcoin working for you, generating returns purely from network activity, not speculative farming. The yield rates, projected to reach up to an impressive 30% APY, are set to go live soon, starting with Botanix's Genesis Vault. This initial offering is capped and operates on a first-come, first-served basis, designed to reward early adopters with even more attractive yields. Willem Schroe, the co-founder and CEO of Botanix Labs, emphasizes that this model creates intrinsic, sustainable, and transparent yield. This move is significant because it offers Bitcoin holders a native way to earn returns while maintaining the full utility of their assets within the burgeoning Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem. Audience impact. Crypto analysts and community members are hailing this as a major step forward, with many pointing out that the market has waited over a decade for a solution like this that avoids third-party risk. Botanix's total value locked has already seen a substantial surge, indicating strong market interest. Could this native yield be the catalyst Bitcoin DeFi has been waiting for? We've got the full scoop, but first, let's look at the charts to see if Bitcoin's price action is signaling another massive rally. Bitcoin price flips bullish with hidden divergence. Bitcoin's price has staged a powerful comeback, decisively breaking above the $115,000 mark after a period of consolidation below it. Currently holding strong above $114,000, the leading cryptocurrency is showing renewed momentum, hinting at a potential surge to new all-time highs. This resurgence is particularly exciting due to a developing technical pattern, a hidden bullish divergence on the weekly chart. As identified by crypto analyst Cryptflow, this divergence occurs when the price makes a higher low, but the relative strength index, RSI, prints a lower low. This mismatch is a strong indicator of bullish continuation, suggesting that despite a recent pullback, the underlying momentum is building. Bitcoin has successfully defended a critical support level around $114,000, marked by 2 consecutive bullish weekly candlesticks. The stochastic RSI on the weekly timeframe has also just flipped bullish, a a signal that historically preceded significant upward price movements, potentially setting Bitcoin up for several more weeks of gains. Audience impact. This technical setup has the crypto community buzzing, with many anticipating a significant upward trend. Traders and investors are closely watching the Federal Open Market Committee meeting this week, as any interest rate decisions could further influence Bitcoin's trajectory. While the charts look promising, real-world corporate actions can also move the market. Get ready for some drama as we reveal how a major company's Bitcoin acquisition just caused its stock to plummet. GD Culture shares crash after Bitcoin deal. In a dramatic turn of events, shares of GD Culture Group, GDC, have experienced their largest drop in over a year, plummeting by nearly 28.16%. This significant sell-off occurred immediately after the live streaming and e-commerce company announced a massive Bitcoin acquisition deal with Pallas Capital. The deal involves GD Culture swapping tens of millions of its shares to acquire a substantial amount of Bitcoin, specifically 7,500 BTC. This strategic move aims to build a strong and diversified crypto asset reserve for GD Culture, positioning the company to benefit from the growing institutional acceptance of Bitcoin as a store of value. The company plans to issue approximately 39.2 million shares of its common stock in exchange for Pallas Capital's assets, which include a significant Bitcoin holding valued at hundreds of millions of dollars. Despite the sharp decline in its share price, GD Culture seems unfazed, indicating its commitment to expanding its Bitcoin treasury. Audience impact. This acquisition makes GD Culture the 14th largest publicly listed Bitcoin holder, joining a growing trend of companies bolstering their crypto reserves. While share dilution is a common reason for such market reactions, the company's bold move into Bitcoin highlights a broader industry shift towards digital assets. Hugh, what a week in crypto! We've covered whale movements, new yield opportunities, bullish chart patterns, and corporate shakeups. Now, let's do a quick recap before you go. And that's a wrap for Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw those long-dormant Bitcoin whales making moves ahead of the Fed meeting, Botanix launching a game-changing yield-bearing Bitcoin standard, Bitcoin's price showing bullish divergence above $114,000, and GD Culture's shares taking a massive hit after their Bitcoin acquisition. Don't miss out on the next big moves. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all social media platforms for real-time updates. We'll see you next time.